Alright, so if you're annoyed by the briefing thing on your Motorola phone and you want to get rid of those, there's a couple of potential solutions. First, let's go to Settings and then scroll down to Home and Lock Screen. And then from here, I'll tap into Lock Screen and look for an option called Smart Lock Screen or Glance. This is a feature that will push annoying briefings, news, and ads to your screen. And if you don't want those briefings, simply just toggle off this option here that says Enable Smart Lock Screen. When you're turning it off, your phone might ask how they can make it better, and you can answer that or not, doesn't matter. You can just tap Submit and that'll turn it off. A lot of times, that alone will get rid of those annoying briefs. Also, sometimes if you had it turned off and you're still seeing that stuff, it might help to turn it on, accept the terms and conditions, and then immediately turn it back off. Another way to do this would be through the app settings. So we'll go to Settings and we can scroll down to Apps, and then here I will tap See All Apps. And then we're going to find the app that's pushing the briefings and disable it. So if it was within that Glance feature, I could go to Glance and then simply hit Disable here. This allows us to disable the app, which means it's not going to run in the background on its own. Now, sometimes those briefings will come from an app called The Daily or from carrier apps like the Metro Play app. So if that's the case, you just scroll the list and find the app here that's called The Daily or Metro Play app, and then hit Disable on those. I don't have those installed on my phone, so I can't show it to you here, but basically, you would do the same thing I just did for the Glance app. If you are actually using the Metro Play app and can't disable the app itself, you could open that app and then tap the three dots or the gear icon in its top right corner, and from there, toggle off Briefing. Sometimes, depending on your phone, the annoying briefing is this thing that comes up when you swipe left on your home screen. And we can turn that off too if that bugs you. To do that, we would find an empty space on the home screen and just long press it. And then we're going to go to Home Settings. Then, here we'll find an option for Swipe Access, and you can choose what this does. Either it gives you the Google News feed, or you can change it to nothing. I'll go with nothing, and now when I swipe to the left, it doesn't give you that annoying curated feed that we saw before. And that is how you disable briefings on your Motorola phone. Like, subscribe, share, go ahead and do all that good stuff if this video helped. It'll make me very happy. Thanks all, until next time.